Session 44. Volume of cuboids. Volume measures the three-dimensional space inside a solid. A cuboid is filled by layers of unit cubes, so its volume is length times width times height. By the end, you'll calculate cuboid and cube volumes, solve missing dimensions, combine solids, and use cubic units correctly. Volume counts how many unit cubes fit inside a three-dimensional region. For a cuboid, V equals length times width times height. For a cube, V equals side cubed. Volume calculations answer practical questions about capacity and material. Packaging designers compare how much a box can hold. Builders calculate concrete or soil needed to fill rectangular spaces. Storage planners compare the usable space inside rooms and containers. Volume is not surface area. Volume fills the inside, while surface area covers the outside. Convert dimensions to the same unit before multiplying, or the numerical result will be inconsistent. Three lengths multiply, so volume uses cubic units such as cubic centimeters or cubic meters. Find the volume of a cuboid 8 centimeters long, 5 centimeters wide, and 3 centimeters high. Multiply the three perpendicular dimensions, 8 times 5 times 3. The volume is 120 cubic centimeters. A cube has side length 4 meters. All three dimensions equal 4, so calculate 4 cubed, or 4 times 4 times 4. The volume is 64 cubic meters. A cuboid has volume 210 cubic centimeters, length 7 centimeters, and width 5 centimeters. Reverse the formula. Height equals 210 divided by 7 times 5. The height is 6 centimeters. Complete example. A step-shaped solid is made from cuboids measuring 6 by 4 by 3 and 2 by 4 by 2 centimeters. Find each part. 6 times 4 times 3 is 72, and 2 times 4 times 2 is 16. Add the non-overlapping volumes. 72 plus 16 equals 88 cubic centimeters. Check that both parts use centimeters and share no overlapping volume before adding. Don't use a surface area formula. Volume multiplies three perpendicular dimensions. Don't multiply measurements written in different units until you convert them to one unit. And don't write square units. Volume requires cubic units. Practice question 1. Find the volume of a cuboid 9 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Option A is 15. Option B is 36. Option C is 72. Option D is 144. Pause, multiply all three dimensions. Option C is correct, 72 cubic centimeters. 9 times 4 times 2 equals 72. Practice question 2. A cube has side length 5 meters. Option A is 125. Option B is 25. Option C is 15. Option D is 75. Pause, calculate 5 cubed. Option A is correct, 125 cubic meters. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. Practice question 3. A cuboid has volume 144 cubic centimeters, length 6, and width 4 centimeters. Find its height. Option A is 4. Option B is 5. Option C is 8. Option D is 6. Pause. Divide volume by length times width. Option D is correct, 6 centimeters. 144 divided by 24 equals 6. Let's wrap up. Cuboid volume is length times width times height. Cube volume is side cubed, and composite volumes add non-overlapping parts. Convert units first, reverse formulas carefully, check the model, and finish with cubic units. Keep going with Year 7 Math at bridge2exam.com.